This video guide is about removing the browser notifications that are associated with the website detectvid.com. Detectvid.com. If you see these strange pop-ups on your computer screen, then obviously your computer may be infected with certain adware type feature called web push notifications. If you see these pop-ups, you should stay away from interacting with them and not to click on the special allow button, because clicking on this allow button may immediately hijack your browser and cause a lot of troubles. You may start getting a lot of ads displayed in the right part of the screen. So if you have clicked on allow, that's surely a mistake and you need to fix your browser immediately. To fix it, access the menu, go to settings, choose security and privacy, then site settings. Scroll down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. And if you find this detectvid.com, you must remove this malicious site from the list. Also, delete other junk sites which could be causing similar troubles on your computer screen. Finally, to make sure that the system is free of other hidden threats, I recommend scanning with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the site combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching the system to detect and eliminate other threats from your system fully. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.